In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a favicon to your WordPress blog. Favicon or site icon is the tiny image that appears next to your website title in the browser. It helps your users identify your website, and more frequent visitors of your site will build an instant recognition for that tiny image. This increases your brand recognition and helps you build trust among your audiences. To add this on your website, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Customize. Now click on Site Identity. And you can change the site tag and tagline from here. And to add the favicon, just click here. The recommended dimensions for the image are 512 by 512 pixels. If the image you're uploading exceeds recommended size, then WordPress will allow you to crop it. If it matches the recommended size exactly, then you can just save your changes. And you can see in the preview how it will look. Now click on Publish. And now when I reload this page, the favicon appears next to the web page title. This is how you can add a favicon in your WordPress blog. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.